Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Aksa Tariq. My roll number is BP16500034. My group number is 13. The main topic is dyslipidemias and atherosclerosis, and the subtopic is postmenopausal drug therapy. First of all, we will talk about the menopause. Menopause is a transition into a new phase of life. It begins when the menstrual cycle finishes. Menopause is not a health problem, however, hormonal change and other factors involved can cause discomfort. In other words, menopause is the stage of life that follows the end of the menstrual cycle. Menopause usually starts between the age of 40 and 58 years in developed countries where the average age is 51 years. Signs and symptoms. The change, various physical and mental changes can occur. Some of these start before menopause and some continue after it. The change involved low fertility. Before menopause begins, estrogen levels start to fall. This reduces the chances of becoming pregnant. Irregular menstruation. Usually, periods occurring less regularly. They may come more or less frequently than usual and they may be heavier or lighter. Vaginal dryness and discomfort. Vaginal dryness, itching, and discomfort may start during menopause. Hot flashes. Hot flashes are common around the time of menopause. They can cause person to feel sudden sensation of heat in the upper body. The hot flashes can also cause sweating and red patches which will be formed on the skin. Emotional change. Depression, anxiety, and low mood are common during menopause. Sleep disturbance. Sleep problems can arise during menopause and they may stem from anxiety, night sweats, and increase in need to urinate. Increased risk of some health conditions. There are After menopause, the risk of certain health issues appears to increase. Menopause does not cause these conditions, but the hormonal change involved may play some role. Osteoporosis. This is a long-term condition in which bone strength and density decrease. Doctor may recommend it taking vitamin D supplements and eating more calcium rich foods to maintain bone strength. Cardiovascular disease. American Heart Association note that the wild decline in estrogen due to menopause may increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. Breast cancer. Some types of breast cancer are more likely to develop after menopause. Menopause does not cause breast cancer, but hormonal changes involved appear to increase the risk. Treatment. Menopause is not a health problem but a natural transition. However, it can involve unwanted physical and mental change. These treatment includes hormonal therapy. Hormonal therapy comes in various forms including skin patches and topical creams. It can help reduce the occurrence of hot flashes and other menopause symptoms. Other treatments are involved, which are gels and other products for vaginal dryness, prescription pills, creams, and rings for vaginal dryness, low dose hormonal birth control pills for hot flashes, vaginal dryness. Low doses antidepressants are used for hot flashes. Lifestyle tips. These are some lifestyle tips which will reduce the risk factors. Getting regular exercise, practicing relaxation and deep breathing exercise, having a healthful diet that include plenty of fresh fruits, vegetables and whole grains, quitting smoking and avoid secondhand smoke, limiting the intake of alcohol, increase calcium intake in diet. Now we have case study. CM is a 57 years old, newly post-menopausal woman suffering from intense hot flashes and night sweats as well as anxiety, insomnia, stress and pain in lower back. She has a strong family history of cardiovascular disease and osteoporosis. Her mother is alive at the age of 78 but lives in a nursing home because of a hip fracture last year. She smokes half a pack of cigarettes per day. Her mean blood pressure is 162 per 102 mmHg. Her lipid profile is total cholesterol 260 mg per dl. LDL level is 186 mg per dl. HDL level is 58 mg per dl. And triglycerides are 78 mg per dl. She is 5 feet 3 inches tall. Her weight is 249 pounds. She has hypertension and high cholesterol. Is she a candidate for estrogen replacement therapy? Soap notes. Subject. Gender is female. Age is 57 years old. Body weight is 249 pounds. Height is 5 feet 3 inches. Symptoms are hot flashes, night sweats, anxiety, insomnia, stress, and pain in lower back. Objective. Her BP is 162 systolic and 102 diastolic mmHg. Intoxication. Smoking half pack of cigarettes per day. Lipid profile. Her total cholesterol level is 260 mg per dl. LDL level is 186 mg per dl. HDL is 58 mg per dl. And triglycerides are 78 mg per dl. Family history. She has a strong history of chronic heart disease and osteoporosis. Her mother alive at the age of 78 but lives in a nursing home because of hip fracture last year. Assessment. The patient is suffering from hot flashes, night sweats, anxiety, insomnia, stress, and lower back pain, high blood pressure, smoking, high level of cholesterol and hypertension, family history of cardiovascular disease and osteoporosis and depression. Plan. Being postmenopausal, whether natural, surgical, or premature, is associated with an increased cardio heart diseases risk. CM has three risk factors: postmenopausal status, smoking, and family history of premature cardiovascular disease. Her LDL goal is less than 130 mg per dl, but her LDL level is increased as that is 186 mg. Medications. As her cholesterol level is high, so we give cholesterol lowering drugs. Atorvastatin 10 to 20 mg. She has the symptoms of osteoporosis, pain in lower back. Calcium carbonate is given 1000 to 1500 mg elemental calcium daily in total from diet and supplements. Vitamin D will be given 400 to 800 international units daily. For hypertension, we will give ACE inhibitors, that is hydrochlorothiazide 25 mg once daily. CM is a candidate for estrogen therapy. Estrogen is known to improve lipid and lipoprotein, and it also provide cardioprotective effect as well as minimize osteoporosis and menopausal symptoms. So we will give estradiol. Initial dose will be 1 to 2 mg orally once a day. Administration should be cyclic. Antidepressants are also used to treat depression. So we will give fluoxetine. Initial dose will be 10 mg, then it will be increased to 20 mg. Lifestyle modification. Some lifestyle modifications are required to decrease the health risk disease. Patient is advised to exercise 30 minutes, weight bearing or walking type exercise, avoidance of smoking because it is also bad for health, adequate maintaining of body weight. She needs to maintain the body weight because she is obese. Follow a low saturated, low trans fat diet. Eat more fruits, vegetables, and whole grain. So, these are the lifestyle modifications which will decrease the risk factors. Thank you.